What is up, beautiful people? It's your girl, Nicole Young, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get into tech with little to no technical experience. You don't need to know how to code to get started in tech. I am living, breathing proof of that. I got into the tech industry before I even knew I was interested in being in the tech industry. So now I'm just going to go through some things that you can start doing right now to get your foot in the door and land a job in tech without having any technical experience, without fully knowing any coding language or anything. And I definitely think that if you are someone that's interested in learning how to code, getting into the tech industry as you are learning and even before you fully know something can be a great way to fully immerse yourself, to help you to understand what direction you want to take things in and get exposed to resources that you may not have had if you stay outside of the industry. All right. Let's get started. So if you don't already know my background story, you can go ahead and check out my Black Woman in Tech playlist. I go through my background, how I first got into tech, and even why I ended up quitting my first job in tech. So if you're interested in that, definitely check it out and you'll have more context for how I got into tech without any experience. So here are some tips that you can use to get yourself a job in tech. So the first thing is to network in the industry. Doesn't matter how much technical skills that you have. You would be surprised how many people have gotten into tech later on in life. You won't be the only one. Look for different meetups and events that are geared towards the tech industry and just start taking advantage of those and start participating in them. Introduce yourself to as many people as you can. Check out my networking for introverts if this is freaking you out, because I know for me it was super scary at first as well. But I definitely think once I started networking, so many opportunities opened up for me. And that was even before I started to learn how to code as well. So definitely make sure that you are networking in the industry as often as you can. The next thing that you should definitely do is, as you are applying and as you are networking, you need to market the current skills that you have. Don't downplay the knowledge and experience that you already have. I don't care if you were just a student or if you were working as a teacher or working in marketing or working in a completely different industry. It doesn't matter. You never know how your experience might be valuable to another tech company or another person in the tech scene. You just never know. So don't ever downplay what experiences and skills you currently have. Market yourself as an asset with whatever skills that you have. Another thing that you can do is to take online courses or certifications that will help you to prove your commitment and your dedication in learning new things, improving your capabilities and your skills, and also in getting into tech. So I'm sure there's tons of things out there. I know that there's one Google does that I will leave in the description below so that you can check it out. But whatever pathway you want to take, see if there are any basic level certifications that you can take that will help you to advance your skills in whatever. So for example, if you are someone that is interested in getting into sales in the tech industry, then see if there's a course that is specifically for tech sales. Take the course and then you have something to put on your resume, something to put on your LinkedIn profile that shows that you are committed in getting into that certain thing. And that can also be something that you continue to do as you start to get opportunities and jobs in the tech industry. Okay, so just a quick recap. Make sure that you are networking in the tech industry in your area. Make sure that you are marketing your own current skills and abilities, and also look out for different basic level courses and certifications that you can take online to prove your commitment to learning and improving in the areas that you are trying to get jobs in. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and Leave any comments or questions down below. Those things really help me out and really help me to see what you guys are most interested in. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss another video, because your girl uploads new videos every single week. And as always, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.